In this video, I'll be showing you how to add PDF to books on iPhone. It's a very easy method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, adding a PDF to the Apple Books app is the best method to organize your documents, save manuals, or read ebooks with a clean book-like page flipping layout. So what you want to do is first locate and display the PDF file you want to transfer. It doesn't matter where the document is currently stored or laid out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Files application, and then I'm just going to go over to on my iPhone and then just find any PDF I have. Now, once you have your PDF, all you want to do is go ahead and click on it. And then what you're going to see is you want to locate the share icon, and that's usually on the bottom left or right corner of your active screen layout. So go ahead and press that, and I'm going to see a lot of different options. But I want to scroll horizontally, and then I want to find the white Books app icon. If I don't see it, go ahead and press more. And then just go ahead and find the application from here. Mine's right here at the very bottom. And then it just says welcome to Books app. And then as you can see, it now opens in the Books application, and then I'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.